We have some mirrors which have this defect. The button shakes. While this is not a big deal, in some cars, it can lead to rattle noise. This is an easy fix. We need a blade or some sharp object which will insert here. We don't have to open the mirror for this work. And just insert it between the frame and the button and pry it open like this. Once it's unlocked, you can remove the button, keep the mirror aside. We need to paste some cover or some cushion on the sides. So I have this double-sided foam tape. I'm going to use a very small portion of it, and I'll need two of them. We'll remove the protective cover. This is going to be tricky once it's quite thin, as you won't have much space to play around. Once the cover is removed, keep it on the blade and gently affix it on the corners like this. Now, this side, the spacing was quite large, have reduced drastically. The same step is going to be repeated on the other side as well. So again, I'm going to remove the protective layer and I will put this as well on the other side. Now, we don't have to do anything fancy. This is good enough. You will see that the forms are protruding outside now. Now we'll put this back into the mirror. So start by putting the switch at the bottom, align the spring with the switch, and then just push it. Now with this, you will notice it is not moving as much as it was earlier. Slight movement is expected and perfectly fine, as otherwise the button itself would not be operated.